Hello Internet, welcome to the channel. My name's Daryl, welcome to Off the Couch. So I hope you guys have been really well. It's been a little while since I've posted a video. There's a few reasons for that, but beforehand I'll show you guys where we are. Look at this. Alright, so we are in Huia Dam. Now Huia Dam is out West Auckland. As usual, I will leave a link for that in the description for you guys. So we've been moving house. It has been absolutely insane, okay? I haven't had time to post videos. I haven't had time to do much of anything actually. It's taken a bit of getting used to. Our last house, we had lots of stuff, and this house is a lot small. Well, not lots of stuff, but we had lots of space. This house is a lot smaller, and so you recognise our crap. You recognise how messy the house gets a lot more and a lot quicker. But we're in. I can get back to posting videos. Depending on whether I've uploaded this first or not, I'm going to also upload another Huia video of the dam further down that's bigger. So that's the silent walk. If you're interested in that, check that out. I may as well leave a link in the description for that, If you check it and the link isn't there, I haven't edited it yet. So maybe come back in a week's time or something, because I'll be doing this video, and then the next video will probably be the bigger walk, which is a silent walk maybe. So I'll spin you guys around. Enough about me. I'll spin you around and we'll bond, Let's have a look. So for me, there is something about Huia Dam. I don't know what it is, even just the area, not just the dam. It's just very peaceful and serene to me. I don't know, I guess looking at something like that, and you'll see when you get further around, you just get an idea of how small you really are and how powerful dams are, It's absolutely insane. Oh yuck, I just put my hand on that little thing. It's trying to kill me. I don't know what it is. Oh, that looks disgusting. So yeah, there's just something about dams. I find them really intriguing. I find water quite relaxing. Helps me with the zen and all that sort of stuff, calms me down. So in this dam, you can't walk across the bridge. At the other dam down there, you can, and you will see that when you watch the video. So yeah, this is just a really, really short video, just sort of showing you guys how cool this really is. So this trickles down and goes all the way down there. I've seen people climbing down on ropes, surfing on rubber tubes down it. That would be a rush, I tell you. And yeah, there's just something about it, man. Really, really cool. I mean, look at that. How incredible is that, Absolutely amazing. So when I've finished making this video, I'm going to have a go at taking a long exposure shot here. Wow, this is just amazing. is so awesome. Yeah, you realise how small you are, when you see something like that. Absolutely insane. It's beautiful, isn't it? I think it is. Okay guys, this was just a really small video just to show you guys what's to come with the other one. The other dam's way more impressive. It's like a big circle funnel vortex thing. That's the best way I can describe it. So yeah, I will see you guys in that. Well, I won't see you, it's a silent walking video, and I'm going to try and upload a few more videos. As I said, it's been really difficult and it's starting to rain again. I want to go and try some long exposures shots, and yeah, man. Oh, I've got to do the thumbnail. Where's the thumbnail? Hang on. Got to do the thumbnail. Wow! Wow! It's just amazing, isn't it? It just trips me out, guys. It really does. I'll see you guys soon. Good to see you. Well, you know, good to look at the lens again anyway, and I'll see you guys soon. Take it easy, guys. Bye.